which brings me to topic number 2 for today, coming from Variety. Kevin Spacey trial. Anthony Rapp, or Rapp, or Rate, well, not Rate, that would be RAPE, loses 40 million sexual battery lawsuit. So it appears that Kevin Spacey won. Now, we all know what Kevin Spacey looks like. He is a famous actor, or maybe was famous. The gentleman in the title, Anthony Rapp, looks like this right here. And as I get into the article, this is something that happened in, I believe, 1986 or 1986. 1986. But the claim was first made in 2017. But let's go ahead and dig into this article and see exactly what it is about. So Kevin Spacey on the right, Anthony Rapp on the left. And it goes on to say a New York jury has sided with Kevin Spacey in a $40 million civil lawsuit, finding that the Oscar-winning actor did not molest Anthony Rapp when he was a teenager and is not liable for battery. After roughly 80 minutes of deliberations, jurors reached a unanimous decision that Rapp's lawyers had failed to prove that Spacey touched a sexual or intimate part of Rapp. Rapp looked impassive as Judge Lewis Kaplan formally dismissed the case, and Spacey dropped his head briefly. He later stood up and hugged Chris Schlonick, a member of his legal team. In a statement on social media, Rapp made no direct mention of the verdict, but thanked the jury for hearing the case. Bringing this, and here's the quote, bringing this lawsuit was always about shining a light as a part of the larger movement to stand up against all forms of sexual violence, he wrote. I pledge to keep on advocating for efforts to ensure that we can live and work in a world that is free from sexual violence of any kind. I sincerely hope that survivors continue to tell their stories and fight for accountability. Interesting. Now, it goes on to say that Rapp first made his claims in 2017. BuzzFeed article in which he said that Spacey lifted him up, placed him on his bed, and pinned Rapp down in a sexually aggressive manner. The alleged, and this is really important to say, the alleged assault took place after a party at Spacey's New York City apartment in 1986. Rapp was 14 years old at the time, and Spacey was 26. The two met while appearing in Broadway productions. Rapp and Precious Sons with Ed Harris, Spacey and Jack Lemmon led Revival on Long Day's journey into the night. In court, Rapp called the event one of the most traumatic of his life. I can only imagine, and I do not, I'm going to say something I don't mean to sound insensitive. First of all, I want to encourage any victims out there to speak up if they can. I know it's easier said than done, but please speak up if you are a victim. I don't care how long ago it was. If this is alleged, but if it's an accurate thing, you deserve justice. However, this happened in 1986. Spacey was 26 and the boy was 14. Why were they hanging out together? I don't know. I'm not gonna come to any conclusions, but I just don't understand that. So maybe there was a valid reason, but that's just something that came to my mind as I was going over this. So I'll just leave it there. But Spacey's lawyers seized on inconsistencies in Rapp's testimony. They noted, for instance, that Rapp described Spacey as having a separate bedroom when a floor plan that produced showed that the actor lived in a studio apartment with one central room. The star witness of our case was the floor plan, Jennifer Keller, an attorney for Spacey, said in her closing statements on Thursday. They also argued that Rapp was upset that Spacey was not openly gay and that he was consumed with jealousy over the actor's superior Hollywood career. Rapp starred in the original Broadway production of Rent and appears on the Star Trek Discovery. I think I just answered my question. Spacey appeared in the hit films such as American Beauty and LA Confidential, as well as the Netflix series House of Cards. I remember seeing this movie, American Beauty. Mom and Dad, I don't think y'all allowed me to see it, or maybe y'all rented it at Blockbuster and I kind of watched it while y'all's head was turned or something. Did I see that at the house? I didn't watch it all the way through, but I remember watching it saying, I don't think I should be watching this. Just to be honest. Let me see. When did American Beauty come out? And American Beauty had a bunch of oh wait a minute. No, this came out in 99. So I was well, I was 14 in 99. Yeah. The thing about it is it's weird. American Beauty, it was about a sexually frustrated suburban father. I just remember him being attracted to a younger girl, and there was roses, like the image. Yeah, it was I don't know if y'all saw that, but it was a weird movie. Well, I don't want to say weird. I just may not have been mature enough to process it or comprehend it the right way. But let's go back to the article. Outside the courthouse after the verdict was read, Keller praised the decision. Really? Oh, no, I'm sorry. We're very grateful to the jury for seeing through these false allegations, he said. In their closing arguments, Rapp's side argued that Spacey was a sexual predator who had taken advantage of a child. Kevin Spacey cannot control his sexual urges when they come up. Richard Steinman, one of the lawyers on Rapp's team, said. Rapp was dealt a blow earlier this week when Judge Kaplan ordered that an emotional distress claim be dropped from the case, declaring it redundant. I thought that was it. Okay, it's almost done. Even though Spacey scored a victory against Rapp, he still faces legal challenges. He has been ordered to pay MRC, the producer of House of Cards, $31 million in damages after the political thriller had his episode order cut in the wake of abuse allegations. And that sucks against the star. Spacey also faces charges in the UK for sexually assaulting 3 men when he was living in London as the artistic director of the Old Vic Theatre. He has pled not guilty. When Rapp first went public with his claim in 2017, Spacey was contrite, offering the sincerest apology for what have been deeply inappropriate drunken behavior. In court, Spacey said he was pressured by his publicist to make that statement. I personally would never apologize for something I didn't do. I was being encouraged to apologize, and I've learned a lesson, which is to, never apologize for something that you didn't do. Spacey testified, I regret my entire statement. So interesting, guys. But this article is in the description box if you want to read that at your own leisure. But let's see what you guys are saying about this. Let's see. Peace to Anthony Rapp. Oh, he was underage. Yes, 14. 1986. Didn't Kevin admit guilt? No, I might be wrong, or someone else. Robert Kelly won his first case too. So, I was not aware of this. I was not aware. And if it did happen the way he claims, it is gross. It is gross. I was a junior in high school in '86. Right on. Shaking my head. I feel you, Jan. Spacey better not try to have Netflix bring back House of Cards. That's right. Yeah. Hitflix. I believe they acted on the show together, and the alleged assault happened after the right. Thank you for clarifying. You sneaky little boy, bro. Oh, you talking about watching the movie? Life imitating art. His House of Cards character has similar actions to these. It's weird. Yeah, this American Beauty, like, just I don't know, man. It's too close to home to me. Thank you, Zia. That movie was crazy and weird. Yeah. I'm surprised that Spacey could be. I'm not surprised that Spacey could be gay. Yeah, wouldn't be surprising at all. Would not be surprising at all. Yeah, it was definitely weird. Yes, it was. Spacey Space Sprockets. Right on. Yes, he fired that publicist. Right on. They finally finished the Gore Vidal film starring Spacey. Right on. So, yeah, guys, this is alleged, but his work reflects this, which is interesting. But it's also multiple allegations. This person in '86, 3 men in London and the UK. So, but he won the case. But Zia pointed out, so did R. Kelly won his first case, and so I don't know. We'll see how this plays out. But if Spacey is innocent, great. Innocent man is walking, as it should. But if he's guilty, that's not good. And he needs to be brought to justice. But I don't know over here. I was only a little toddler in '86. But again, if you're watching this via live on the replay, there's a link down to this in the description box below for you to read at your own leisure.